Okay, we are looking at a certified 2016 Honda Odyssey EXL. It's got 27,000 miles on it. It's a Carfax one owner. It's deep scarlet pearl in color. We'll go ahead and walk around the vehicle with you here. We'll start on the driver's side. All right, it does have the lock unlock button here on the driver's side handle. It does have power rear sliding doors. Got your sunroof up here. Driver's side of the vehicle is in good shape. It is equipped with a rear backup camera. Make our way down the passenger side. Everything's in really good shape. Okay, you got the lock unlock button here on the passenger door handle as well. It also has your blind spot monitoring system, and we'll show you that when we get inside the vehicle. But the exterior of this Odyssey is in great shape. Okay, it's a certified 27,000 miles, Carfax one owner. Let's go ahead and take a look on the inside. Got the beige and black door panels, power windows, power locks, power mirrors. Okay, it does have your lane departure warning, your power lift gate. All right, and this controls the power sliding rear doors. Okay, it's got the beige leather driver's seat. It is a power driver's seat. Okay, there's your buttons right there. It does come with two keyless entry key fobs. And it has access to the rear sliding doors on the key fobs as well. That's a nice feature. Passenger seat leather is in good shape. Okay, and this center console right here does open up to give you some storage there. I'll go ahead and pan out and open up the sunroof for you there. Okay, you got your auxiliary port here, a couple of power outlets, USB port, got your DVD player here. Okay. Open this up, a little storage right there. It's going to have your display screen right here. Heated seats, dual climate controls. Going to have another display screen right here, and we'll show you that in a second. All right, got push button start. Leather wrapped steering wheel audio controls, and Bluetooth. And then you've got your blind spot monitoring button right there, and we'll show you that in just a second. Let's go ahead and take a look at the mileage. Okay, it's got 27,630 miles. Now that we've got it started, let me go ahead and show you this upper display screen here. This is your radio display. Okay, you'll be able to scroll through all of these. Those are your preset channels there. Okay, we'll go ahead and activate the backup camera, and that'll be up there as well. Okay, and then your blind spot monitoring system can be activated with that button I showed you to the left of the steering wheel. And all that does is it shows you a display of your blind spot, or you can activate it by making a lane change with the turn signals. All right, we'll pan out a little bit. Of course, there's the heated seats again and the dual climate controls. Air condition is blowing cold, no problems there. And then you have the radio display right here on this screen. Okay, a CD player here as well. All right, let's go ahead and take a look in the back seat. All right, one thing I want to show you real quick while we're right here, let's go ahead and open up these back doors. Simply press those open buttons there, and as you can see, got the power sliding rear doors. Okay, got the second row bench. Okay, beige leather. Does have the two wireless headphones. Okay, we'll go ahead and put those down, and I'll go ahead and give you a quick shot of the DVD player here. Okay, second row leather is in great shape. And then it's got this middle section that will fold down and turn into cup holders and storage if you don't have anybody sitting there. It can also be completely removed. So it's just two captain's chairs back here. Okay, but second row leather is in great shape. Go ahead and give you a driver's eye view of the dash and the layout. All right, let's go ahead and take a look at the third row. Third row leather is in good shape as well. Alright, and then over here you have another plug-in, power plug-in. You got the headphone jacks to control the volume, and then you've got some auxiliary plug-ins as well. Alright, and then to simply close the door, you can either pull the handle or hit this close button right here, but when you pull the handle, it takes one little tug like that. Alright, nice and smooth closing. power lift gate. Simply touch the button. Nice and smooth coming up. Alright. It does have the really nice plastic liner down here to protect the interior. Got your power outlet here. Okay. And these seats do go down. Just simply pull that. Okay, and then they will fall down into this lower area here to make this all completely flat back here to really open up the storage. Okay. Simply press this button to get the hatch to go back down. Alright, so instead of tug on the handle on this one, we're just gonna push the button here to close. Nice and smooth. Let's take a look at the wheels and tires. We've got 17-inch alloys. Brand new set of tires. Alright, once again, this is a certified 2016 Honda Odyssey EXL. Alright, it's a Carfax one owner, 27,000 miles on it. It is certified. This thing's in great shape inside and out. Come down, check it out, take a test drive, and thanks for watching the video.